Welcome everyone, myself Sudarshan Patil. Today we are going to learn an excellent topic, Introduction to AWS Lambda. I am thrilled to guide you through how AWS Lambda is transforming the landscape of serverless computing. So let's get started. AWS Lambda is a revolutionary service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows you to run code without managing servers. Imagine writing your code and letting AWS take care of everything else. That's the beauty of AWS Lambda. It automatically scales your application by executing code in response to triggers, and you only pay for the compute time you use. How does AWS Lambda actually work? You start by writing your code in supported language like Python, Node.js, or Java. Then you have to upload your code to AWS Lambda along with any dependencies. Next, you define triggers such as HTTP request or database change that invoke your Lambda function. When this triggers occur, AWS Lambda automatically provisions and runs your code, handling auto-scaling and infrastructure management for you. Now let's talk about some key features of AWS Lambda. Firstly, scalability. AWS Lambda automatically scales to accommodate the demands of your application, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Secondly, cost effectiveness. With AWS Lambda, you only pay for the compute time your function consumes, making it a cost-efficient option for both small startups and large enterprises. Additionally, AWS Lambda seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, supports multiple programming languages, and is event-driven, allowing you to build highly responsive and scalable function applications. AWS Lambda is incredibly versatile and can be used for various purposes, from building backend APIs for web and mobile applications to processing real-time data streams. AWS Lambda can handle it all. It's also perfect for tasks like IoT device data processing, automated workflows, and machine learning model inference. The possibilities are endless. Getting started with AWS Lambda. Ready to give AWS Lambda a try? Here's how to get started. First, you have to sign in to the AWS Management Console, then navigate to the Lambda console and create a new Lambda function. You can either write your code directly in the console or upload a zip file containing your code and dependencies. Next, configure triggers and permission for your function. Finally, test and monitor for your function before deploying it to the production. With these simple steps, you will be up and running with AWS Lambda in no time. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of AWS Lambda. I hope this introduction has sparked your interest and inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of serverless computing with AWS Lambda. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy coding!